Hello, students. How are you all? So, today we are going to start chapter 4, Computer Mouse. Children, all of you must have seen a mouse in and around your house. Yes, a mouse is small in size. It has a tail. It runs very fast. Now, let us talk about computer mouse. A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. It is small in size. It has two buttons, left and right, and a scroll wheel. It has a wire like a tail, which is fixed to the CPU cabinet. Nowadays, we also use a wireless mouse. A mouse is always kept on a mouse pad. Uses of a mouse. A mouse helps us to draw pictures, point and select any item on the monitor. It also helps to play games. When we move the mouse, we see a small arrow moving on the monitor. And this arrow is called mouse pointer. Okay, children, now we will learn how to hold and move a mouse. So, children, look at the picture. In this picture, we have middle finger, scroll wheel button, right button, left button and index finger. We will put the index finger on the left button and the middle finger on the right button of the mouse. Place your index finger on left mouse button. Place the middle finger on the right mouse button. Hold the mouse with the rest of the fingers and thumb. Rest your palm on the mouse. Now, move the mouse on the mouse pad. Watch the movement of the pointer on the screen as you move the mouse. Now, children, we will learn mouse buttons. Children, all of us have seen a camera. What would you say to your parents if you want to take their photograph? Let me click your photograph. The mouse also has the same function, clicking. Now, pressing the left mouse button once is called clicking. This action selects an item. Double click means pressing the left mouse button twice quickly. This makes two click sounds and opens an item. Now, let us try. Hold the mouse. Move it to bring the pointer onto the computer icon. Double click the computer icon to open it. Click on the close button. The computer window will be closed. Right click. Pressing and releasing the right mouse button once will show a list of options on the monitor. Move the mouse pointer to the blank area of the desktop. Now, right click on it. The list of options will appear. Select the View Medium Icons option. Observe the changes in the size of icons. Now, let's learn dragging and dropping. This action is used to move an item from one place to another on the monitor with the help of a mouse. Next is scroll wheel. It is placed between the left and right buttons of a mouse. It is used to move the page up and down on the monitor.